Welcome to the Caribbean. Let's be honest, when someone says Caribbean vacation, you probably picture powdery beaches, turquoise water, and maybe a fruity drink with a little umbrella in it. But what if I told you the Caribbean's top luxury resorts aren't just about pretty views? They're about mind-blowing experiences, and let's be real, the kind of price tags that'll make your wallet cry happy tears. I've been digging through the latest travel news, and trust me, if you want to vacation like royalty, or at least pretend you're on a Bond film set, these resorts deliver. First up, the legends. There's Eden Rock in St. Barth's, where the guest list is almost as glamorous as the ocean views. And at Golden Eye in Jamaica, you can actually stay where James Bond was born. Seriously, Ian Fleming wrote the novels here. These aren't just hotels, they're pieces of island history with a side of 5-star service. But it's not all glitz and glam. The new wave of Caribbean luxury is all about authenticity. Think boutique hotels that reflect the unique vibe of each island. Imagine waking up in a rainforest villa in Dominica, or sipping fresh coconut water from your private pool at Jade Mountain in St. Lucia. And yes, the views are every bit as jaw-dropping as you would hope. Now, for those who, like me, want to travel with a conscience, there's good news. Many of the hottest resorts, like Six Senses La Sagesse in Granada, are leading the way in eco-friendly luxury. Expect solar panels, local ingredients, and even spa treatments that are as kind to the earth as they are to your sunburned skin. It's guilt-free indulgence, and honestly, who doesn't love that? Looking for something shiny and new? 2025 has brought a fresh batch of show-stopping escapes. Salterra Resort and Spa in Turks and Caicos is already making waves with its massive spa and ocean view suites. Over in St. Lucia, CA's On-Bass Beach Resort is where chic design meets Caribbean cool, with high-end dining to match. And if you're craving total seclusion, Peter Island in the British Virgin Islands is back, bigger and better than ever. Think private beaches, villas, and a level of pampering that's borderline outrageous in the best way. Of course, luxury doesn't have a one-size-fits-all vibe. You can go classic at Cobbler's Cove in Barbados, family-run with a dash of old-world charm, or ultra-modern at Park Hyatt St. Kitts. Want to spark your creativity? Pompey in Jamaica is part resort, part inspiration zone. Or if you're after adults-only all-inclusive bliss, Almare on Isla Mujeres, Mexico, has you covered with gourmet everything and zero interruptions. So whether you're a hopeless romantic, a fearless adventurer, or just need to escape emails for a week, the Caribbean's top resorts promise a slice of paradise that's as unforgettable as it is luxurious. Just don't forget your sunglasses, or maybe your financial advisor. Ready to book? Your dream island escape is waiting, and trust me, it'll blow your mind, and probably your wallet too. Which island tops your bucket list? Comment below and share your dream destination. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Global Travel Horizons for more travel news, trends, and luxury destination tips. Until next time, stay tuned for more travel news and updates.